Hey, real family, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, you are so welcome. Today we are running. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. If you are a runner, keep watching and share this video. And if you're not a runner, just watch this so that you get inspired. It's another day, it's another race. So on the 18th of August 2024, I attended the Waterfall City half marathon. Yeah. So I just wanted to take you through the start point. Look how many people are there. Like it's packed. All right, that's the national anthem, there, Royal fam. Even though I didn't record the first part, only from the beginning, I mean the middle. It's all good. We're running now. The race is starting. Let's go. It's on. Catch you later, real fam. Yeah, real fam. So I had to start recording from Kailami Corner. Just it's an iconic place. People love Kailami Corner because of the races and events that happen there. But you know what? We move. Let's have some Milo. Listen, any reason to have a bit of cupping, I'm ready. Like I am so ready. I had to take a pause there. I think we were almost at 5 kilometers here, and I was doing quite well. I was really pushing myself. Remember, all fam, do not litter. I know running on the road can actually be a bit hectic, but the nice thing is that there are bins all around, but also the idea is for you to, put whatever container or water, plastic, just near the things. Okay. I had to drive with that bus there. Yeah, on 8 kilometers, and I am still feeling good. This is when I started having a whole lot of bananas, and I think I overdid it. I shouldn't have, and I had to have my switch. I think I was at 10 kilometers here. Okay, yeah, just before 10, and then we were at 11, and yeah, it was just too much.
I want a vitality. Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Vitality. Well done, guys. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Well done, vitality. Well done, vitality.
Thanks for the hype, guys.
I'm at 14 kilometers. My body is killing me. My body is not being happy with me. I think I had too much bananas on the road. Now I feel like my stomach is just complaining. But I'm gonna try to get to the finish line in 3 hours. Exactly at 3 hours. I'm currently at 2 hours 14. I can do it. Let me try. Check you later.
Vitality, that's your points done for the day, done for the week.
Thank
done
you.
for the week. You've got all of your points. Can you manage? You got it.
I got it.
Nice one, nice one, nice one.
Yeah! I need that.
You did it.
Few kilometers, park and run. Beautiful. Keep going.
Thank you.
Real fam, this wasn't an easy race, I must say.
Thank you.
I felt it. I think the hills were just dealing with me. But listen, I made it. Thank you
Thank you
guys.
guys. Yes.
I made it.
Thank you. No. Thanks.
So I was at 18 kilometers here, and already I was just running and walking at the same time. I walked more the last.
How, Joang? I'll take yours.
This guy, ne? The last 2 kilometers. Anyway, I wanted to capture Deloitte building and a little bit of Mall of Africa just to show you how gorgeous these buildings are, especially from the other side. So yeah, that's me going to the finish line, and I did it.
Thank you. I need that on.
Oh yes, you know what? You've got it. You deserve it. The sister is courageous and she deserves it.
Thank you so
You're
much.
amazing.
Thank you.
What else is on?
Can I have some coke? Hello, fellas. How are you? We good. Please try me.
I love those two. Anyway, this is my Vitality family. It's so nice that you get to, have a nice spot to chill at, thanks to the team. And this is what you get as a Team Vitality member. So, yeah, I got a sandwich, some coffee, some strawberry milk, and water. So, all those products are from Woolies. And of course, a banana, which I didn't even want to touch because I felt like, on the road, I had so much bananas. It really wasn't cool at all.
Well, it depends. It depends on what you want. But I usually have a rate card. If you ever need my services, I can always WhatsApp you my rate card to see. Because remember, so for example, with social media marketing, sometimes the client needs to have social media, but they don't have like a proper online presence, something like a website. Well, which there's nothing wrong. They can start with social media, but you also want to build to a point where there's like a website available. So, yeah. I also have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
So that's like.
I'm currently doing a course which I hate. I think that course you will love it. It's UX design. With Get Smart, UCT Get Smart.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's nice.
No, me, I'm an engineer, that thing. Like now, I've got an assignment on where.
Thank you for watching, Real Fam. Don't forget to subscribe.